Farming feeds the world, but the way we farm now can hurt our planet. Sustainable farming is a way to change that. It helps us grow food in a way that is good for the environment, our communities, and our future. Sustainable farming protects our natural resources like soil and water. It helps us fight climate change. It also makes sure we can all have healthy food for years to come. Sustainable farming is about working with nature, not against it. It's about finding a balance between what we need and what our planet needs. Cambodia, a country with a rich agricultural history, is embracing sustainable farming practices to build a brighter future for its people and the environment. Sustainable farming uses many different methods. Each one helps protect our environment and grow healthy food. Crop rotation is one method. It means changing the type of crop planted in a field each year. This helps keep the soil healthy and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Organic farming is another important method. It avoids using harmful chemicals. Instead, it relies on natural fertilizers and pest control. This is better for the environment and produces healthier food. Permaculture is a way of designing farms that work like natural ecosystems. It uses diverse plants and animals to create a self-sustaining system. This method helps conserve water, build soil health, and reduce waste. Many Cambodian farms are already seeing the benefits of sustainable farming. The SEDAC organization, for instance, has been promoting sustainable rice cultivation techniques for years. Their methods, which include using less water and fewer chemicals, have helped farmers increase their yields while reducing their environmental impact. Another great example is the My Farm organization. They train young people in organic farming and help them set up their own sustainable farms. Their work shows that sustainable farming can create jobs and empower communities. These are just a few examples of the many Cambodian farmers who are proving that sustainable agriculture is not just possible, but also profitable and beneficial for everyone. Sustainable farming offers many benefits for Cambodia. By protecting natural resources, it helps ensure the long-term viability of Cambodian agriculture, which is crucial for the country's economy and food security. Environmentally, sustainable farming reduces water pollution, soil erosion, and greenhouse gas emissions. These practices help mitigate the effects of climate change, preserving Cambodia's natural beauty and biodiversity for generations to come. Socially, sustainable farming creates healthier communities by providing access to safer, more nutritious food. It also promotes fair labor practices and empowers local farmers, strengthening rural communities. The future of Cambodian agriculture is looking bright thanks to the growing movement towards sustainable farming practices. By embracing these methods, Cambodia is well on its way to creating a more sustainable, prosperous, and food-secure future for all.